A lot of jailbirds. Jailbirds. A lot of birds just flew over. I mean, it must have been. I wasn't counting. But if I was, I reckon it's probably about 754 birds. Anyway, they're literally just flown out of my orchard. Yes, I have an orchard. Oh, Lord of the Manor has an orchard. So it's really early here this morning. The sun is, well, it's literally only just got light because I've got so much work to get through this week. Right, so inmates, how are you? How's life behind bars? I spent some time behind bars. I'm whispering because people are still in bed. I've got cottages here on the other side of the courtyard. They're tenants of mine. And I don't want them hearing me getting all enthusiastic about inmates. So I'm whispering a little bit, but I know you can hear me. Last night I was back out there in the fields because fair dues. People were saying in the last video, if you haven't seen that video, it's still a fantastic video. I put a lot of time into it, so it has to be fantastic. So look at that video. I'll put a link up above, a link down below, all that malarkey. But a few comments about it wasn't a fair comparison, which I completely agree, because I had 8 light pods I needed to get set up on this trestle, on 2 trestles, and I wanted to get them set up as pairs. I literally just took the light pods out of the boxes as they were with the default lenses fitted. Which didn't show a fair comparison between the D4, which has a hybrid lens fitted as default when it comes out the box, and the D3 has a spot lens fitted as default as it comes out the box. It's a horse. Beautiful. That's lovely. I couldn't show you, but a horse, can you hear it? A horse, I love that. One of the great things about being in the British countryside, horses just trotting past early hours of the morning. So what I've done, I've taken 2 pairs of D3s, 2 pairs for 4 D3s out of their boxes, and 2 pairs of D4s, and I've got spot lenses fitted to a pair of D4s and spot lenses fitted to a pair of D3s, and then I've got a pair of hybrid lenses fitted to some D3s here and some hybrid lenses to some D4s, and I'm going to show you those compared side by side, which I did last night. I haven't done the editing yet, and I really couldn't tell, and I was so damn cold last night, I really couldn't take much notice. So for me personally, I still don't think it is a significant change in between the D7 and the D3, but the argument is the D3 has got very, very long range, just as long range as the D7, but it's just not as widespread, it's more focused. But from the footage we're about to see, you're going to notice that the D3 with the hybrid lens has got more of a spread, so it's a pretty good driving light. I've actually got a pair of D3 hybrid lenses on my GSA, and I was out riding at the weekend and I came back quite late in the evening, and I was really pleased with them because I had my D7s turned off for driving lights. So the D7s were nice and bright. I had them on at 30%, just going down the road on dipped. And then when I went to 100%, I've got the D7s and the D3 hybrids all coming on at full blast. And I was really, really happy with that. Let's go back to last night and enjoy the video. And I'll put the comparisons up at the end so you can see them all side by side. Okay everybody, we're back out here again. This time I haven't brought the motorbike with me. We've got 2 pairs of D3s. We've got 2 pairs of D4s. I've got a pair of D4s with spot lenses, and I've got a pair of D4s with hybrid lenses. The D3s have got spot lenses, and the other D3s have got hybrid lenses as well. So we're now going to just set up the camera, which as you can see is completely pitch black down there. That is what the camera's seeing on the settings where we had it on last time. But if you look down there, you'll see that the camera makes adjustments. So the iPhone camera makes adjustments, but it is a bit later in the day. About to get the settings all set up on here. Now you notice this time we've just got a straightforward BMW battery. I've got a little multimeter there to test the voltage, so I'll give you that readout before and after, so we know we've definitely got over 12 volts coming through the battery. And all we've done is linked up an easy can directly to the battery, so you can see the terminals are going to there. It's linked to here, and then I've set up the red circuit. If you look on here, there's the red circuit. I set up the red circuit to be light pair 1, which is here. So we're just going to literally plug it in, and then because we haven't got a bike to put it through, I'm going to be going to the up here to the right hand corner just there, and just literally moving that slider left and right to 20% to 100% so we can see the differences. So if you look at the battery voltage, 12.81. All right, and all we're going to do is we're going to do this and go up, and I can already see the light coming on. So if you look through, I'm looking through the iPhone here, you can see those D3s working on the iPhone, but let's have a look at it through the other camera. Right, let's get that level. So that is they are the D3 hybrid lenses. I'm going to take that back down to 20%. So there's 20%. Oh, hang on, 20%. And there is 100%. 20%, 20% there, and 100%. Right, let's turn that one off. Okay, so that's 20% on the spot lens, D3, and there's 100%. 20%, 100%. Turn that down. So that's a D4 spot lens. 20%, 100%. 20%, 100%. Turn that one off. Okay, so there's 20% D4, and now we've got 100% D4. 20% D4, 100% D4. So there's the voltages, 12.49, 1250. There's the easy can all plugged in. Just to verify, sure, I can't see anything. This is so difficult doing one-handed in the dark. There we go, 12.54. So what did you think? Like, as I'm saying this right now, I still haven't seen that footage, so I'm recording this bit before I edit everything. So what did you think? Was the D3 Spot better than the D4 Spot? Was the D3 Hybrid better than the D4 Hybrid? Which one would you prefer on your bike? Would you have any of them? Please leave a comment down below. If you enjoyed the video, if it's any use to you, leave a like. If you'd like to see the differences of what the light can do down that same path with coloured lenses, please let me know if that's of interest to you, and we'll get that video coming in the very near future too. Until next time, you know what I'm going to say, stay safe behind bars. Not these bars, but these bars. I'll see you in the next video.